Hi, this is Thor with Galahad Marine Sales here in Graysonville, Maryland. We are now the new Crownline dealer for Maryland, Virginia, and Delaware. Today I'm going to talk to you about our brand new 29-foot 2025 290 XSS. Come on aboard. Starting at the helm, Crownline's signature craftsmanship is front and center with dual 7-inch Garmin touchscreens, along with Wet Sounds premium stereo and 8 speakers throughout. The bow is designed to make your time on the water seamless and enjoyable. It features plush seating with premium finishes, perfect for relaxing with friends or family. Crownline is proud to feature best-in-class storage. There's enough room in this boat for all of your friends and family's gear for the entire day. The oversized head compartment features electric flush, vanity with sink, granite countertops, cabinet for storage, a port light, and a mirror. You can make sure your hair looks pretty while you're out at the sandbar. This model features the galley package with a cockpit grill, a fridge, and a sink, making entertaining a breeze. You don't even have to get off the boat. This boat also features the shore shade for those extra sunny days. What are considered options on many other brands are standard on Crownline. At the stern, you'll find an oversized swim platform equipped with a removable ski tow pylon, ideal for water sports. The stern also has a handheld freshwater shower. And powering it all is a Mercury 400 horsepower engine, so whether you're cruising, skiing, or just enjoying a sunset, the 290 XSS has you covered. If you're in the market for a boat that redefines luxury and performance, this is the boat for you. Call 833-GALAHAD or visit galahadmarine.com. Let's get your private tour scheduled.